Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Last month marked the anniversary of when I started selling on eBay 23 years ago, so I thought I'd share with you my absolute top 8 secrets of how to sell on eBay. As a host and founder of the 4 largest eBay and Amazon meetup groups in Australia, I continuously see the distinction between the most successful sellers and the people who want to be successful. This week's secret is one of the most powerful secrets that separates the top sellers from everybody else, but also this secret completely changes lives, as I'll share with you in this video. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a fully automated 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. So let's launch straight into it. This week's secret is a lesson I learned from Warren Buffett over 20 years ago. Now, for those who aren't familiar with Warren Buffett, Warren is currently the 6th richest person in the world, and also one of the most successful investors of all time. One of Warren's many quotes is this one: the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. One mistake I see so many eBay beginners make when they start their eBay journey is focus. At the same time as learning to sell on eBay, they're also learning how to sell on Amazon, opening a Shopify account, researching social media, researching how to sell on Facebook marketplaces, researching private labeling, reading up on the latest cryptocurrency, checking out Instagram, etc., etc. The thing is, life does not reward us for being a jack of all trades. Life rewards us for what we master. Stuck on my office wall is this: SIWSNT. Success is what or who I say no to. This is not just for selling on eBay, it's also for every other aspect of life, from business to health, to friends, to pets, to our partners, and most definitely to our hobbies as well. Success is what or who I say no to. Throughout our life, we're continuously bombarded with shiny new objects. Our inboxes and our emails are always full, etc., etc. And every time we allocate time out of our life for the next shiny new object, we have to take away time from something else. Time is finite. If we give time to one thing, we must take away time from something else. Now, another way of putting this is, we need to do more of less. To get good at something, all we have to do is more of that, i.e. building an automated eBay business, and avoid distractions. It's like building a Lego set. If we just focus on building that one Lego set, we'll get it finished quickly. But also, what a lot of people do in business is the equivalent of buying 10 different Lego sets at once and trying to build them all at once. The old saying of less is more is so true. Whether building a Lego set or building an eBay business, laser focus on one thing at a time and avoid distractions. The secret for success for everything in life is mastery. And the easiest way to master anything is from small, continuous baby steps. Building a full-time automated eBay business is exactly the same. It just comes from small, continuous baby steps. This same less is more strategy works for almost every other aspect of life. If you've been following me for any length of time, you know that one of my favourite hobbies is building and flying radio-controlled planes. And I used to have a very hard time keeping my credit card in my pocket every time I saw a new plane that I liked. But these days, I do limit my purchases of new planes. And the reason for this is, a while back I realised I had 26 model aircraft in the shed. And if I continually fly a different aircraft every week, I'll never master each aircraft. I need to have less planes and fly those ones more often. Now, this taught me a very valuable lesson in life. It's exactly the same with selling on eBay. Less is always more. There's so many opportunities these days to make money online, from social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as dropshipping, selling used items, importing, private labeling, FBA, etc., etc. But like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, as the host and founder of the 4 largest eBay and Amazon meetup groups in Australia, I continuously see the distinction between the most successful sellers and the people who want to be successful. And this distinction is that most successful sellers lock in and master one task at a time, and then they outsource that task before moving on to the next shiny object. On the other side of the scale, I see all the other people who continually chase the next shiny new object. They jump to the next shiny new object as soon as they find the first hurdle. But the hurdles continually always come up with everything in life. Rather than finding the solution to the hurdle, they just go searching for the next shiny new object. And then they again find the next hurdle with that next shiny object. Then again they search for the next shiny new object. And then they continue to go round and round in this cycle. If they just mastered one of those strategies, then they'd be what many people would classify as an expert. This is the same with pretty much everything in life. From photography to snow skiing to dog training to exercising to painting to gardening, to selling on eBay. Success is what or who you say no to. Stay tuned, and next week I'll share with you secret 5. If you missed secrets 1, 2 or 3, I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you want more detail about how to sell on eBay, I have a free online step-by-step workshop teaching how anyone can build a 7-digit automated eBay business using less than $100. I'll put a link on the screen and below. Please leave me a comment below and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build an automated 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.